and we got a storm coming right here. See it in the background. Mountains covered. Thunderstorm. Woo! This is for Josh Ortiz. And there goes everything. Josh, this is for you, buddy. Arizona thunderstorm at its best. Here it is. Mountain starting to appear from behind the storm. Woo! That came fast. That, folks, is an Arizona thunderstorm. There was stuff blowing all over back here. Oh, A3 must be in town. Hey guys, here's the wash on our property. It's always dry. This is after that rain we just had. Not too wide right now. It's been 4 times as wide as this on a bigger rain, but the wash is flowing. And this comes all the way from the center of the mountain. This is siphon draw wash right here, and siphon draw wash originates up here right in the middle of the mountain. And we can't see right now, but there's probably waterfalls on the mountain over here. So this is what's called the flash flood in Arizona in the summertime. This storm came up really fast. You could see the pictures at the beginning of the video. That was a thunderhead that was building in the northeast, and it just built and built and built until it finally hit, and really strong winds and heavy rains. So pretty cool. We love it. This is the best time of the year for us, like during a thunderstorm. So Josh, I hope you enjoy this. This is for you, bud. So until you move out here, you'll have to be satisfied with just the video, I think so. And yes, I have found gold right in here before. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Till then, till tomorrow when we have the 100 sub giveaway going. So thanks to everybody for all your support, and we will see you tomorrow. Adios.